Does that work?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Now we have different systems. This one, for instance, is the Louvre, which is a photo editing system.
Yeah, is that the one there?
This is the unit, yes. You connect it up to a standard TV set,
Yeah.
and basically what it does is it archives your digital photographs.
Yeah.
And
So there's the hard drives inside?
there's a hard drive inside, exactly. And it comes with its own proprietary operating system, with its own user interface. And let me just see if I can switch this to English.
So you have the mouse on the couch or somewhere in the living room?
Yes, for
have it
instance.
far
Yeah,
away?
you can also have it cordless,
Yeah.
via infrared or something.
Okay.
Let me just select English. So basically, this is a system for editing photographs. So you can do something like touching up photographs, or changing colors, doing minor editing. But it's also an archiving system, so it has a structure which allows you to sort photographs according to date, names, etc. And you can also create presentations. So you can connect this to a high-resolution beamer. And
So there's a high resolution output?
yes,
Okay.
only VGA.
VGA?
Yes. Okay, so it's low resolution if you go to the TV, but high resolution if you go over VGA.
Yeah, VGA it is. Okay. Do you have some for video also?
Yes,
Some
we
other
have.
products?
This is just one product. The other product is the Casablanca,
Yeah.
which is available in 4 different versions.
Yeah.
This is basically the Casablanca baby. It's called the Claro.
Okay.
It sells for under €1,000, and it's also a complete video editing system. It has all kinds of different video effects.
Okay.
You can mix music, add commentary tracks, etc. But it only has a FireWire input, so it's only digital.
Okay.
We also have 3 other editing systems. They're differently priced, differently ranged. The top range system, for instance, is the Solitaire, which is in a glass case.
Is that around here?
Yes, it's
Can we
around
go
here.
there?
Yes, sure. So I'm not sure if you can see it.
There's lots of people. Okay, is one over there?
It's the glass case over there. Actually, it's also the one, if you look over there.
Okay, can we go around?
Yes, sure, sure.
Okay.
So I'm not sure, maybe we could just walk around.
Yeah.
So this is the flagship Casablanca. Basically, it's a very easy to use interface, designed for videographers rather than computer professionals. It has an automatic backup system included. It has a double layer DVD system.
Yeah.
It has front inputs. It's very nice design.
Nice.
1 gigabyte RAM, lots of hard disk storage space.
So you connect your FireWire camera to that?
Yes.
And it's a DV camera?
Anything, analog, SVHS, VHS, DV, FireWire, whatever you want.
Just in front here is the connection?
No, it's also at the back.
Also at the
but
back?
this is more practical if you have your handy camera, like your camera.
Yeah.
So you can just plug it into the FireWire port, and then you go into the video grabbing part of the software, and you go from there.
Okay, so it's for editing conveniently, kind of?
Yes.
In the living room? Is that
Yes,
kind of it?
this Casablanca is actually very successful. We've been selling the system for about 9 years now. I think we've sold something like 130,000 units.
Oh.
This one, actually, the flagship sells for under €4,000.
Yeah?
So it's actually quite high positioned.
So there's lots of hard disk inside?
Yes. So this one actually has 300 gigabytes.
300 gigabyte? Okay.
Yeah.
So you edit and then you output it back to the tape?
Or to DVD. There's a double layer DVD burner included. So you can create your own little menus and so on.
But is it
it's a
also-
complete system, really. Everything from grabbing the video, creating the content, whatever, editing and outputting to video or even to DVD. Everything is done on the same box.
Okay. So, but it's also VGA output? It doesn't
Yes.
have a higher resolution digital?
Now what? This is prepared for HDV.
Yeah?
So we're using a codec which is already prepared for HDV. Currently the software version doesn't support that yet. But in approximately 2 months we will have a software which is also HDV capable.
Ah, okay. HDV?
Yes.
So you mean this video will be working? Be possible to use it on
Yes.
But what I'm asking also is the output to the screen. Is that in high resolution? Or?
No, currently it's PAL or NTSC video.
Okay.
Dual monitor suite. So you have the operating system on a VGA screen and high resolution. And obviously video is video resolution, right?
Okay.
So you can only have PAL or NTSC.
Yeah. But when it's going to be HDV, it's going to be required to use HD output, no?
No, this is an editing system for HDV.
Yeah.
The way it will work is that you will basically be working with the DV version of the footage,
Yeah.
but you will be internally editing an HDV.
Okay.
So when you burn a DVD or when you create your footage,
HD, yeah.
your finished reel, that will actually be an HDV.
Okay. But you cannot display HDV from that.
No,
to the
no.
HDV
For that
screen.
purpose, we have something else, which I'm afraid we can't show here because
Okay.
the only actual working prototype that we have had
Okay.
was sadly broken on the way to the show. But it's a little box called the HDV Enhancer box.
Okay.
The way it works is that it allows you to play HDV footage into the box, and it displays that footage on a normal computer monitor.
Okay.
Because these monitors have a resolution which are obviously high enough to display HDV, but they have the interlace problem.
Okay.
So the HDV Enhancer box fixes that.
Okay.
So it's a very convenient way of using a flat monitor screen to actually watch HDV footage.
Okay. And how about the last one? What's this?
This is going in a slightly different direction. This is a home entertainment center,
Yeah.
which maybe if we can just take a step to the side because we're starting a presentation here. If you see here, this box is available in 4 different colors,
Yeah.
which kind of fits in to the setup of your living room.
Yeah.
Basically, it combines an HD recorder, DVD recorder, CD recorder, and player. It has CI slots for pay TV, 2 CI slots, so it's also a receiver. It's a music archive and video archive.
Okay.
It supports electronic programming guide, if you're familiar with that. So you can do stuff like, basically you can type in the name of an actor or something, and the system would filter out for you which movies, say over the next 7 days, will be coming out which feature that actor, and it automatically records that stuff for you.
Okay. So
So-
it's records from TV.
Yes, it records. It's available in 3 versions: DVB-T, DVB-S, and DVB-C. Can we just take a step back? And like I said, it's a system which really revolutionizes the way you watch TV because this replaces everything in your living room.
Okay. So there's a hard disk inside.
There's a hard disk inside,
How
precisely
big it can be?
250, 400, or 500 gigs.
Okay.
There is a DVD burner inside, so anything you record on TV can be edited. You can throw out the advertising, the commercials, and burn that to DVD.
So how much does it cost?
It will cost under 2,000 euro. And the interesting thing is that we've included the entire Casablanca software in there as well.
Okay,
So it's
you
at
have
the
your
same time.
own operating system and everything.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
At the same time, you can also edit.
Yes, yes.
So there's a DV input.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
So it's primarily a home entertainment system,
Yeah.
comparable maybe to something like the Windows Media Center.
Yeah.
But we've designed it so it looks nice, it works, it doesn't crash. It's basically comes from one company. We've done the operating system, we've created the hardware,
Yeah.
and it's completely and utterly easy to use. It has very simple menus. If you look, for instance, if you look at the programming guide, the way you program it is you simply select the program that you want to record and press the record button, and that's it. You can record up to 8 channels simultaneously. So that's quite
8 channels.
8 channels simultaneously, yes.
Okay. That sounds good. Okay.
So I don't think you will normally, probably not even have a situation where you want to record 8 things at the same time, but technically it's possible.
With digital, well, just stores from the digital source, no?
Yes, there's 2 tuners,
Yeah.
basically, which can work with 2 transponders, and each one of them can record up to 4 programs. So that's a total of 8.
Okay. Thanks.
Kamera müssen wir